Getting on the same page. Navigating communication in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common English expression, get on the same page. Understanding this phrase will not only boost your English fluency but also enhance your ability to communicate effectively in personal and professional settings. Let's explore what it means to get on the same page and how you can use this phrase in your daily conversations. When people say they want to get on the same page, they are not talking about reading a book together. Instead, this phrase is a metaphor used to describe a situation where two or more people reach an agreement or have a mutual understanding about something. It's about ensuring everyone involved has the same information and agrees on how to move forward. While the exact origins of get on the same page are a bit murky, it's believed to stem from the worlds of business and education. Imagine a meeting where everyone is looking at different pages of a report, or a classroom where students are not focusing on the lesson. Getting on the same page means synchronizing everyone's attention and understanding to the same point. You can use get on the same page in various contexts, from casual conversations to formal meetings. Here are a few examples. In the workplace. Before we proceed with the project, let's get on the same page regarding our goals and deadlines. In personal relationships, we've been arguing a lot lately. We need to get on the same page about our future plans. In educational settings, let's review the syllabus to ensure we're all on the same page about the course requirements. Getting on the same page is crucial for effective communication. Here are some tips. Be clear and concise. Ensure your message is understandable to everyone involved. Listen actively. Pay attention to others' perspectives to reach mutual understanding. Ask questions. Clarify any doubts to ensure everyone has the same information. Understanding and using the phrase, get on the same page, can significantly improve your communication skills in English. It's all about ensuring mutual understanding and agreement, which are key to successful interactions. We hope this video helps you in your journey to mastering English communication. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.